So the herb garden, I know, looks a little rough, but there's actually a lot going on in here. We have lemongrass. This is cilantro that's gone to seed, which I'm going to show you how to save. More cilantro to seed. We have a lot of dill going to seed. There's mint in this bed. Yes, it is in this bed. I don't mind it being here. We don't have a problem with it taking over. There's rosemary. There's weeds. There's a patch of lemon balm back there. And then here is a bunch more dill that's gone to seed, which is what I am out here to get. Saving dill seeds is super easy. Right here you can see these guys are all ready to go. So I'll just go ahead and pinch them off into my glass. And I'll have them for next year. Okay, so it's super hot, but I wanted to show you how to save your dill seeds whenever they're ready. So these guys are ready. They're nice and dry. And you have two options. You can either cut this off right here, hang it in a paper bag and secure it, and just let the seeds fall off. I don't do that just for space. But once you see them starting to dry, you can just, this is how I do it. I just grab the whole thing, kind of shoosh it around in the hand. I know it's a very technical term. It's kind of hard to see me, it's dark right here. And I just put them in my bowl. And listen, you'll have some that's gonna fly off. That's okay. It'll just make more dill for you. But we're in 9B, so it's already super hot. I'm sweating, as you can see. See, and I pretty much cleared it off. They got a couple of seeds left, but that's okay. We're not gonna worry about that. I'll let those go in the herb garden. I kind of let everything do its own whatever in here. And then I'll show you cosmos in just a second. Here's another easy beginner seed to save, I guess you could say. These are cosmos. I grow a lot of different cosmos. Pink ones, white ones, orange ones. I like to throw these into the pollinator garden and just let them do their thing. And let me see if I can find... You have to look a little bit when you have these many plants. Okay. So right here, this is a cosmo that has gone to seed. If you can see this spiky ball that's happening here, these are your seeds. Cosmos are super simple to save. And just pinch them off. So what you want to do is you're going to go ahead and collect these when you see it burst. I usually keep an eye on my plants to see when they're going to seed, and that helps. This one here is finished blooming, but it is not ready to go to seed yet. But you can see, sorry for the camera to focus, these guys are done and went to seed. You just pinch it and the seeds come off. That's it. When your cilantro goes to seed, it's gonna look like this. These are all the cilantro seeds right there. And what you do is you just pick them off, and they technically a seasoning referred to as coriander. They very easily come off when they're ready. And then you'll have all you need for next year. And these also pretty readily reseed. So if you miss some seeds, expect to have some next year. Plains Coreopsis. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but close enough. That's another one that we're growing this year in the wildflower bed, and it's another one that I really like, so I'm going to go ahead and save seeds, and I'll toss these around sometime early February since we're in 9B and we can usually get away with that. When you're saving these seeds, you're going to be looking for these little pods after the flower closes up. You can just pinch the whole thing off. And what I'll do is I'll just break it up in my hand. Let's see. And then those there, where my dirty thumb is at, are the seeds. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to toss these back in and let them grow. But you can see they have a couple more pods here. If I can grab one. There we go. Again, same thing. What I'll do is I'll just toss these back in too, but I have a batch inside that I just put them in a cup. And I'll save those for spring or even the fall. But yep, another one that's easy enough for all you beginner gardeners. And the last thing I'm going to save seeds for today are these marigolds. We plant a lot of them in our wildflower bed just because we like them. We have several different varieties, but if you don't know how to save seeds, you will never have to buy another one if you learn how. So all you're going to do is you'll take off this part. If I had my cameraman here today, he could do some filming for me. But in here are the seeds. See if I can get that open one-handed. So all you do is you pop that open. And this is what you're going to be saving. I'm just going to go ahead and throw these back into the garden because 9B, we can do that. They'll grow some more. Alright guys, I think that's it for our beginner seed saving. Today I'm going to try to come back and do some different things on another day. But I wanted to show you those because they are here and ready to go now. See you later guys. Bye.